Alright guys, now it's time to check out the Tech Depot homepage. So any MyWorkspace subscribing unit can use the depot to purchase any IT related hardware. Most of the hardware that comes through the depot are desktop and laptop computers. Once the desktop and laptop computer has been received at the depot, it is tagged with an asset tag and entered into the Asset Management and Configuration Management databases in ServiceLink. Once the asset record and CI record have been created in ServiceLink, the hardware is passed to the build room where a build technician can load it with a MyWorkspace image. But before you do this, we got a couple of sheet generators over here. These sheet generators are used to track the logistics involved with the delivery, pickup, and repair of all MyWorkspace assets. And to start a build, let's go over here and click the build sheet link on the left. Alright, so it's a pretty simple form we got here. This is the Depot build sheet generator. This first field here is for the incident number. When a MyWorkspace subscribing unit requests hardware purchase from the depot, they usually submit it to us in an incident. So we're going to go ahead and log the incident number up here. There are times that we will receive a request in ServiceLink. Those are numbers that start with the RITM, generally for onboarding new employees. We will receive hardware from those requests as well. Anyway, if you have an RITM, a task, an L task, or whatever, your building machine, go ahead and put that ticket number right here. The next field, you see deployment. We go ahead and leave that box checked, or rebuild for inventory. Generally, we're going to be deploying a device, so we'll just go ahead and check the deployment box here. The date field is automatically populated with today's date, and in this field you can usually use the information from within the incident to obtain the serial number and the MyWorkspace asset tag. And it's a quick copy and paste to get the content into these fields. Next we have the owned by department. That is information that could also be obtained from the incident, and the deployed to unique name. We like to log the build type here, or put any notes in here that might be pertinent to the build. Once you've entered all this information, you can log any catalog software that might need to be put into the build, or you can check the yes or no box for whether or not the user needs administrative privileges on their machine. So we're going to go ahead and add some test information in here so you can see the process. Alright, so once you've finished entering in information into the build sheet generator, go ahead and click the submit button. And we'll go ahead and wait for the Google scripts there to go ahead and do what they do. And we are presented with a link that says view sheet. So we can go ahead and click this view sheet and you will see the product. So this is the build sheet, it has the information that you've put into the sheet generator. And we also have a checklist here that outlines the steps required to perform a build. Alright, so you now know how to use the Depot build sheet generator.